We are here at UniPod Mechanical Workshop. We are combined from four students from mechanical engineering and electrical and power engineering. So it's an electric motor vehicle which we are trying to assemble and understand its working and the processes from start to end.
We're going to use electricity instead of using fuel. The other motors around, they use fuel, but the importance of this is using electricity, where that electricity comes from batteries, where we connect batteries to the controller, and the controller supplies the motor helps to run the wheels. That's where the electrical part involves in.
Basically, speaking from the perspective of a mechanical engineering student and also a student who are in year 4, what we actually have in class, we understand the mathematical models, the calculations, and the theories behind everything, and we are good at designing things and modeling them in the software. So this motor vehicle helps us understand the level or the standards of which we need to do our things. Not only see theoretical things which cannot be produced, but we learn from what was produced and understand how we can adjust what we are doing to be able, what we are doing can be able to be produced or used.
The batteries can be charged at home, or you can charge them nearby station that uses either solar instead of using fuel.
Every single part we assembled it together and we ensured cross fit and function, and now we have assembled 2 motor vehicles which are fully electric and they have the capacity of carrying the load of 400 kilograms.
The first importance of this motorcycle, first of all, it's less expensive, as it doesn't use fuel, as now at the market the fuel is rising, the price is rising, but this one is going to be using electricity.